In this video, I'll show you how to create the ha 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 trend video on TikTok using Capcut. So if you want to create these kind of videos, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to make sure you have TikTok and you have an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So make sure you download that. Now once that's downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. Here you're searching for the following username, The Simple Dad. Now this is the account you're looking for, Test the Simple Dad. So this is a test account. Go ahead and tap on that. Now in the profile page for this account, you're looking for this video here. Go ahead and tap on that. Now within that video, you're looking for this Capcut Try This Template button, which will appear just above the username. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on that. This will now show you the template which you're going to use. So go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. Now this will open up the Capcut application and will show you the template again. So go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now from here, you want to go ahead and select a photo from your phone library. So I'll go ahead and select a picture. Tap on Next. So now Capcut will basically create you the trend video. So here you have it. Go ahead and review the video and make sure you're happy with it. Then tap on Add Sound in TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. And now you have the video ready. The sound has been applied to this trending TikTok video. So all you need to do is add your text, stickers, or any effects, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go. That is how to create the ha 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 trend video on TikTok using Capcut. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.